If you've ever deleted an important file from Google Drive and thought it was gone forever, don't worry just yet. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to recover permanently deleted files on Google Drive, plus a few fast options you can try before giving up. This is especially useful if the file was recently deleted, if it was still in trash, or if it was a shared file and the owner can restore it for you. Before we start, if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you should do is open Google Drive and check the trash folder. A lot of people skip this step and assume the file is permanently deleted, but in many cases it's still recoverable here. On the left-hand side of Google Drive, click Trash. Now look through the deleted items and find the file you want back. If you see it, right-click the file and choose Restore. As soon as you do that, Google Drive will send the file back to its original location automatically. This is by far the easiest and fastest recovery method, so always check trash first. Now, if your trash has already been emptied, the next option is to contact Google Support as soon as possible. This is time-sensitive, so the sooner you act, the better your chances. Go to Google Drive Help and look for the File Recovery or Contact Support option. Then request recovery of the deleted file and provide as much detail as possible, like the file name, approximate deletion date, and the account it was stored in. Google may be able to help, but this usually only works within a short window after deletion, often just a few days, so don't wait too long. If the file was shared with you instead of being owned by you, there's one more simple option: ask the owner. Shared files can often be restored by the person who originally created or owned them. Send the owner a message and ask them to resend the file or restore it from their trash if they still have access. This is especially helpful for team documents, school files, or shared work folders, where the owner may still be able to recover it even if you can't. It's also a good idea to check whether the file was synced to another device or backed up somewhere else. Sometimes people forget they downloaded the file locally, saved a copy in another folder, or attached it to an email. If you have a backup, that may save you a lot of time. So to recap, the best order is this. First, check trash, then try Google Support if it was permanently deleted recently, and finally, ask the file owner if it was a shared file. Those are the main recovery paths that can help you get your Google Drive file back. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing how to prevent accidental deletions in Google Drive so this doesn't happen again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.